Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make this DIY wooden candle holder. As usual, we will first start with everything that you need to make it. All of the products will be listed down below in case you were interested. So first up, you will need a pallet. You can usually find these in the back of most stores, but I do recommend asking if you can take it. Next up, you will need some candles. I have a few different ones. So the first one is this medium-sized LED pillar candle. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some short and tall pillar candles that I got from Amazon. You will need some wood stain. I chose classic gray and a foam brush, some sandpaper, and some screws. I ended up using 8 of these. The first thing I'm going to do is map out kind of how I want my candles, that way I can get a length. I'm just going to measure that out and then also measure how high I want the boards to be. And now I'm just going to make some markings on my pallet. I ended up using 4 boards and I have them kind of staggered from about 13 to 16 inches high. Next up, I'm going to cut my pallet. I'm cutting the 4 pieces that I need for the back. And then I'm also going to cut this part right here just to have a ledge for the candles to sit on. I'm just going to quickly sand each piece just so there's no splinters poking out. Now I'm laying them out. And to hold the boards together, I did cut 1 extra piece of the pallet just to screw to the back. And then here's the piece that I cut from the side of the pallet that I'll be using as the ledge for the candles. Now I'm going to wood stain all of the pieces of wood. I put a very thick coat, and then after about 15 to 20 minutes, I went back and wiped the excess stain off. I like how it looks with just 1 coat because you can see a little bit of the wood coming through, and I wanted it to have a wooden rustic look to it, but if you don't, you can always add another coat of wood stain. Now that they are dry, I laid them how I want, and I'm going to flip them over, and using the spare piece of pallet board, I'm putting that horizontally on the back side and drilling the screws into that. I then put the board in the front that we will be using as the ledge for the candles, and I'm going to screw that in from the back side. I am using pretty long screws just to be sure it is nice and sturdy. And then I just added some hooks to the back as well so we can hang it up on the wall. And once you hang it and add all of your candles, that is all for this DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.